Today we're unboxing what the Kungfu 2x2 and the Mojue. Okay, let's go. So we've got first the Kungfu 2x2. Oh wow! Apparently these boxes are really hard to get open. No, I'm just gonna. Sorry, Kungfu box. Gosh, this is. Sorry, little 2x2. Yeah. Lovely. Oh, my friend, he said he had his on stock tensions and it was really loose, so we'll see how that goes. Thanks, Tom. Whoa, that's loose and it's really good. It's kind of greasy. Wow. Main potential because my main is a Yupo. Oh, wow, stars. Amazing. What do I do? Yes, we're into the cube. Oh, let's break it in. No kidding, my SD card ran out. So right now I can feel the cube is flexible, but it's also very, very fast. And no, like it's all the perfect things for me because I really like my Tanglong and that's smooth. I really like my Gans, that's smooth, but it's also a bit flexible. I don't know why I mentioned two smooth cubes. This is just a perfect mixture of feelings for me. I actually really love this cube. Sorry.
So weird.
But I'm excited because I am going to make this in Mojue M4. Ew 4. No. Ew! Okay, yeah, I'll make this a Mojue M4 because I'm putting magnets in it. So M3 with magnets is M4. I keep flipping the cube. I'm sorry, cube. I love it. Bye. So, what's the guy like?
Wait, hang on. Let me just take this open more. Oh, there's lots of guys.
Thanks for helping film, Tom. Ew! That didn't go in. No.